Welcome to Avon Corporation Limited. We are here to give you a demonstration on our body fat scale. The weighing capacity of the scale is 150 kgs. The graduation of the scale is 100 gram. It measures your body fat, your total body water, the muscle mass, bone mass, BMI, BMR and visceral fat layer. This is our body fat scale. These are the two electrodes made of aluminium. It is used to measure the body impedance via BIA technology. As you can see, there are three buttons: up arrow, set and down arrow. Press the set button once to enter into only weighing mode. In this mode, you cannot calculate the body fat. You can change the units by pressing the down arrow. You have kg, pounds and stone. To set the date and time, press set once. After it shows 0.0, press and hold set again. Till the year flashes, you can change the year by using the up or the down arrow. Press set to save. Here you have the month, date and time. You can change the month by using the up and the down arrow. Press set to shift to date. You can change the date by using the up and the down arrow. Press set again to save the date. Here it comes to time. You can change the time by again pressing the up and the down arrow. Press set again. After setting the date and time, the machine automatically switches off. To measure your body fat, you have to enter your individual parameters. You press set once. After it comes to 0.0 kg, press set again. This is your memory location. You can switch your memory location from P0 to P9. P0 is the guest mode. P1 is the individual memory location. To set to P1 memory, press set. Now it comes to gender mode. This is female, this is male. Press set again to save. Now you enter your body type. You have normal, athletic and semi-athletic. To set, press set. Now you enter your height in centimeter. You can change your height using the up and the down key. Press set. Now enter the age. Press set. Please stand on the machine with the top portion of your feet on the electrode. This is your BMI. This is your BMR. This is the muscle mass, bone mass, visceral fat layer. This is your body fat percentage, total body water percentage. This is your body weight. The machine comes with a CD and a USB cable for peripheral device interface with computers and laptops. The scale comes with a USB port. The scale should contain at least one new data entry before transfer into the computer. Install the software from the CD and you can open the home page from the health management software. This is the link for the company's website. Please click on the link. Go to Product tab.
to see all the products that we have. Click on body fat scale. You can buy the product online. Let the machine switch off automatically. Connect the scale with the PC through USB cable. Press the down arrow key to initiate data transfer. Press the USB blinking button to initiate the transfer. Now the data is downloading into your PC. The window for new entries of the user opens. Click OK. Select the particular memory location and click OK. Now you see the data entry for that particular memory location. Click on Graph to see the individual graphs for the individual parameters. Click on the red button to see the particular value and the date of measurement. Click on individual buttons to see the respective graphs for individual parameters. Here the various information of the individual user is given. 9 refers to P9 location. To export the data, click on Output Data. To save the file, choose the different file types. Data can be exported in 3 different file types: MS Access, MS Excel and Notepad. We will save our file in MS Excel. Now open the saved Excel sheet. Here ID 1 refers to memory location P1, ID 2 refers to P2, and so on. Our data is saved in ID 9 location. View the data. Thank you for your interest in our body fat scale.